Good morning all. How are you? Are you going well? Are you staying safe? Okay, alright. So today I am here with a new chapter, that is To the World of Information. I think you are all familiar with internet, isn't it? What is internet?
Here are three questions about internet. First one is, how big is the internet and is it part of the real world? Second one, what are the good things on the internet? And third one, is the internet just made for kids? We can just look at first question. Internet, also known as the net, is the world's biggest computer network. In simple terms, a computer network is a collection of interconnected computers that help us to communicate with each other. You can search for pictures in the internet. It will give lot of informations on any topic that you are searching on the internet. And here the second question, good things on the internet. You can read stories, you can play games, watches, videos, movies, etc. on the internet. Also, it will help in education, also helps to continue your friendship. Okay. Daily updates are easily available in the internet. The third question, is the internet made only for kids? Only some of the internet made for kids. There are pictures and other things that kids should and kids shouldn't. Internet has both merits and demerits. So, there are some rules for kids while using internet. For example, in the real world, you have to follow some rules, such as you have to look both directions before crossing the road. Also, don't buy chocolates from strangers. So, likewise, you have to follow some rules for using internet to make your life safe and secure.
Did you search anything in the internet? Yes, of course, isn't it? So, you need a platform to search anything in the internet, isn't it? I'm searching in the Google Chrome. You are searching in Google? Okay, then Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, very good. So these are known as web browsers. Okay, so what do you mean by web browsers? Web pages are displayed on the computer using special web browsing softwares. Then what do you mean by web pages?
Web page, also known as electronic page, is a part of the World Wide Web, that is www. It is just like a page in a book. The basic unit of every website or document on the web is a web page which containing the information. A web page can contain an article or a single paragraph, photographs, and it is usually a combination of text and graphics. The definition for a web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web, including web pages, images, video, and other files. To access the internet, you will firstly need to click or tap on your browser programmer's icon. A browser window will open, then you can find and view different websites on the internet. Here are some popular web browsers that you are using in your daily life on your Android or your mobile phones or computers. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, and the Opera browser. Dear children, in your textbook you can see an album like this. Here are two pictures, that is a camel and desert. So, how can we search about desert and camel in our computer? Okay, first of all, we want an internet connection
like this. Okay. After that, go to applications, then internet. Here you can see lot of web browsers. From this I am selecting Firefox web browser, that is Mozilla Firefox. Okay, just select that and open it for searching for desert and camel. Here are some explanations given for that. We want to see the images. Now in the search box I am typing the word desert. Then press the enter key in the keyboard. See, now you can see the informations about desert in Wikipedia. Okay, I am just opening that. Here is lot of informations given about desert. Okay, now if you want the image of the desert, select here. Now you can see the images of desert. Okay, lot of images. Next, if you want to search for camels, you can type here camel. Okay, so these are the images for camel. If you want the pencil drawing images for camel, you can select that. If you want cartoon drawing, select. Okay, so what are the prerequisites for collecting data from the internet? First one is that internet facility should be available on our computer. Then second one, software or any web browser that is required for searching for the information on the internet. Okay, so I have typed in this search box two words. First one is camel and second one is desert. So such words are known as keywords. Okay, see, in your textbook it is given that we can use certain words related to the information we seek to reach the page with the information we need from among all the other information available on the internet. Such words are called keywords. So can you say two examples of keyword? Yes, camel, desert. Okay.
Activity 5.2, let us collect pictures. So here we want to collect some pictures from the internet. For that we have to open a web browser. Which web browser? Firefox web browser. Okay, then can you say how can we open the Firefox web browser? Click on applications, internet, then Firefox web browser. Okay, so this is the order for opening the web browser. Applications, then internet, Firefox web browser. Here you can see the search box. Can you see here? Search with Google or enter address. Okay, so which means that here you can search by typing the keyword or you can type the URL address, website address. Okay, so this is the search bar. Here you can see a box, that is search box, search the web. Here you can type the keywords that you want to search in your computer. Okay, so types, keywords or web address. This is the browser window. In the search box given in the browser, type the keyword and press the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so now you want to type the keyword here. Now I am typing polar bear. Okay, then press the enter key in your keyboard. Okay, now I am pressing the enter key in the keyboard. See, now you can see the informations about polar bear. Lot of informations you can see here. Okay. So now our heading is that collecting pictures. We want to collecting the pictures. So we want to search for the images. How can we search? Yes, here we can see all images, maps, news, videos, etc. From this you have to select the option images. Okay, click on the option images. See, it is very interesting, right? You can see the images of polar bear. Okay, so if you want to see each picture individually, you can click on that. Okay, you can click on that particular image from this. Okay, now I am clicking this image. Okay, likewise you can see the images of all polar bears. Okay, so here you want to remember one thing. There are certain systems on the internet which help us search for pictures and information. Okay, so we want to search for pictures and informations on the internet. So they are known as search engine. So the systems that help us for searching the pictures and information in the internet is known as search engines. Here you can see some examples for search engines. Which are they? Yes, Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing, etc. So I will show you that. You want to open applications, internet, Firefox web browser. Now we can just see the Google search engine. Okay, type here Google and press the enter key. Okay, select Google. So this is the Google search engine. Okay, in this you can type the keywords. Okay, now let me show the next search engine, which is that DuckDuckGo. Okay, I will show you that. Type here DuckDuckGo. Press the enter key. So DuckDuckGo's page is this. Just open that. DuckDuckGo is an example of a search engine. Okay, so don't get confused with a search engine and web browser. Search engine means we want to search for pictures and informations in the internet. Okay, that is known as search engines. Examples: Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Okay, so you already saw the page for Google. Now we can see the page for DuckDuckGo. See, dear children, this is the page for DuckDuckGo. Okay, this is the search engine. In this search box you can type the words, keywords. Okay, next is Yahoo. Okay, we can go for next search engine, that is Yahoo. Type the Yahoo, then select this option. Search engine Yahoo, you can type the keyword here in the search box. Okay, then next search engine is Bing. This is the search engine Bing. Okay, so you have to type the names of the search engines: Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Then you have to study the examples for web browsers. Which are they? Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, then Microsoft Edge, Chromium, etc. Okay. So dear children, for your attention, here we can see a short note, that is, not all information provided on the internet is true. Okay, so you will get the informations from the internet, but and that informations, it is not sure that all that informations are true. Okay, although the majority of the information is right, there may be some fake information also. Okay, so majority of the information is genuine, but there are some fake informations also you can see in your internet. Okay, so be aware of searching internet and collecting informations. Okay. Activity 5.3, to save the image. The first step for saving the image is that click on the image that we need. So first of all, open any web browser in your computer. Okay, now I am opening Firefox web browser that is in my computer. Okay, and in the search box you can type any keyword. Now I am searching polar bear. Okay, press the enter key. To see the images, select the button images. Okay, now you can see lot of images of polar bear. Now to save, you have to click on any image. Now I am selecting this image. Then right click on your mouse and you can see save image as option. Okay, right click on the image, select save image as option, and you can select the location. Okay, now I am selecting students work 6th, and here we can give the name for that file. Okay, now I am giving polar bear itself, polar bear image. Okay, any name you can give here. Then click on save button. Now let us check if this image is saved into my computer. Okay, home, documents, then students work 6th. Here you can see polar bear image.jpg. So just double click on that image. Now you can see that image in your computer without internet. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so did you get the idea? To save an image from the internet to our computer, what are the steps? Click on the image that we need. Then second step is that click the right mouse button, which means that click on the mouse button's right button. Okay, that is right click on the image, which now appears in an enlarged form, and select save image as from the menu that opens up. Okay, save that image to your folder. You can give a new name to your picture if needed. Okay, so did you understood how to save an image from the internet to the computer? Okay, then here is a small topic, that is permission required, which means that if you want to take any information from the internet, we should know that it is free or not. Okay, we can use it freely or not. We may need to ask the permission of the person or the organization that created it. Not for all images. For some images there is a matter of copyright. Okay, so some images we cannot use because we need to ask the permission of that person or any organization who has the owner of that image or video. Okay, so this much is from the topic internet. Okay, I hope you all understood this. If you are having doubts, you can contact me. Okay, so we can meet in the next class by the new chapter, that is Into the Wonderful World of the Sky. Okay, So take care, stay at your home, write the notebooks on time. Thank you.